Hello everyone, this is Daria from Kai Academy, and today I will show you how to unblock potentially sensitive content on Twitter. Twitter is among the most preferred social media platforms. While it is a great advantage to be preferred so much, it brings certain audits from time to time. They have to ensure the privacy and security of their users. With the help of some settings, we can easily find a solution to this problem. Twitter blocks some tweets with a potentially sensitive content warning. You can disable this warning even on iPhone or iPad where the option isn't normally available. And today I will show you how to do it on your computer. And you can also disable sensitive content warnings on your own tweets. So let's talk about what is sensitive content. Twitter says this warning label is for potentially sensitive content such as violence or nudity. To the blunt, Twitter is a more anything goes social network compared to Facebook, while Twitter's sensitive media policy does ban excessively gory media depicting sexual violence, and illegal content, almost anything else goes. So by default, Twitter restricts this media with a warning like, this media may contain sensitive material, or this profile may include potentially sensitive content, or the following media includes potentially sensitive content. So, if you don't have a Twitter account, you'll need to create one and sign in to change the setting. But of course, I know that you do, and I know that I do. So, how we're gonna do that? So, how to skip this sensitive content warning? What we're gonna do is we're gonna disable the sensitive content warning from Twitter's privacy settings. And by the way, you'll also find this option in the same place in the Android app, in also in your iPhone. So let's go and see how it goes. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna click more, then we're gonna click settings. And from here, what we're gonna do is, as you can see, we're in the account right now, but we're gonna click privacy and safety. And from here, we're gonna go down a bit, and under the name of the safety, we're gonna enable the displayed media that may contain sensitive content. So when we're gonna click on this to disable the warning for tweets. So tweets with sensitive content are normally hidden from searches, but you can enable them if you prefer. And also to do that one, as you can see that we're in the Twitter website, we're gonna click, we're just gonna be in the same place, but let's show from the beginning. We're gonna click more, we're gonna click settings and privacy, and from here we're gonna go to content preferences, and from here we're gonna go to search settings. You can see under the name of Explorer. And from here, we have two options like hide sensitive content. Mine is not hidden, but if yours hidden, it's gonna be looking like this with the blue tick on it. But I do not want my search. How can I say? I don't want those things to be hidden when I search something, so I'm going to remove this, which I have already done it before. And after doing this, as you can see, let me just show you, save search settings updated. So I'm just gonna close this tab, and right now I'm going to be able to see those hidden or sensitive media contents. So we have done it. These things that we've done to not to see other people, we have turned it on. We have enabled that preference so we can see other people's sensitive content, or when we search for something, even if they're sensitive content, we're going to be able to see them. And now what we're going to do is, if we have them, how to remove the warning from your own tweets. So to do this, what we're going to do is, as you can see, we're going to go to settings like this, and from the settings we're going to go to privacy and safety. And from here, as you can see, we have a lot of things, and it's under the name, and it's under the safety that If we choose mark media you tweet as containing material that may be sensitive, most probably if it's looking like yours have it, it's gonna be looking like this, that your tweet might have it on the content. But mine, what you're gonna do to remove it, you're gonna remove this warning by doing this. And now that you will not have any problem with your tweets having this warning on top of them. So, and if you also, we have done everything that we could, but if you don't want to see this sensitive content, don't worry, that's the default setting on Twitter. So what we're gonna do, just ensure that we're turning it off, and it's very simple, as you can see. And if you have any questions about this video, about this content, or about anything related to Twitter or any other social media platforms, you can ask me on the comments and I will come back and try to help you with your question. And if you have any suggestions, we are open to suggestions. Yes, we are. You can suggest some things maybe that we can do more about it. You can just be commenting about it and you let us know, so we take action. I take action. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, make sure that you like this video with this button, with the button down there. And if you found it helpful, don't forget to like too. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, but I'm pretty sure you did, but if you haven't, please do. So it's very easy, just gonna click on that button. So thank you for watching again. See you guys in the next video.